We live in a world where our adversaries deploy a wide range of ubiquitous capabilities designed to find, fix, and engage our forces, information systems, and equipment faster than ever before. In today's high-tempo operations, speed and agility are key. To combat these threats, Frontline Lighting developed an innovative lighting solution that's flexible, mobile, and rapidly deployable. Introducing the MFlex lighting system, the fire and forget lighting solution that's designed to be an integral part of your shelter's organic capabilities once it's set up. The system consists of a tactical kit bag, two 12-meter light strips, one white and one blackout for low-light operations, a tactical control box, and support cables. Frontline developed and patented innovative operational redundant light strips that eliminate single points of failure. With MOLLE and Velcro attachments, the MFlex can be embedded into the HDT suite of airbeam and drash shelters, as well as all NATO standard shelters. And the best part? The MFlex is tailorable, so it can be cut, spliced, or extended simply by adding light strips. The MFlex lighting system meets MIL Standard 1472 brightness requirements for general storage areas, is lightweight, provides even lighting, and is cost-effective compared to our competitors. The system can run off both AC and DC power supplies and is compatible with a variety of NATO standard batteries. To learn more about how this innovative solution can improve your operations and provide reliable illumination in the toughest conditions, contact Frontline Lighting today.